Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best orbital sander pad is probably one of the most underappreciated components in your workshop, but trust me, it's a game changer. Today, we're diving deep into the world of orbital sander backing pads, specifically the Craftsman version. We'll explore why the right pad can make the difference between a flawless finish and a sanding nightmare, so stick around as we uncover the secrets to achieving sanding perfection. Number 5. Craftsman V20 Cordless Orbital Sander, CMCW220B. This is part of the V20 cordless system. It offers the flexibility and convenience of cordless operation, allowing you to work without being tethered to an outlet. This system provides a range of tools for various tasks. This 5-inch cordless random orbit sander is a bare tool. It features a powerful motor with a maximum of 12,000 OPM for fast material removal. It's designed to efficiently sand various surfaces. It has high-performance dust collection. It features an onboard dust bag and a connection for a 114-inch vacuum hose. This helps to keep your workspace clean and improves visibility. The sander has a low profile and lightweight design. This provides added control and reduces vibration during use. This makes it easier to handle and reduces fatigue. It has a dust-sealed switch. This provides added durability and protects the internal components. This feature ensures a longer lifespan for the tool. The package includes a dust bag and sanding papers. You'll receive 60, 80, and 120 grit papers. This allows you to start sanding right away. This sander is compatible with the VersaTrack wall organization system. You can easily store it on a wall for convenient access. Clips and accessories are sold separately. What we like. This sander is part of the V20 cordless system, offering you the freedom to move without cords. It boasts a high OPM for quick sanding. If you're working on projects where mobility and speed are key, this is a great choice. What people say. Dust collection, works just as it should and keeps cleanup manageable. Fits comfortably in the palm and feels secure while sanding. Works great, has good grip capability and performs well for any small project. Number 4. Craftsman 5-inch sander backing pad replacement. This 5-inch hook and loop sander backing pad is designed as a replacement for Craftsman random orbit sanders. It's also compatible with several Ryobi models. This pad ensures a perfect fit for your sander. Installing this pad is a breeze with its easy screw-on design. You can quickly attach it to your sander without any hassle. Please note that the screws are not included, so you can use the existing ones. The pad features a high-density and uniform hook design. This provides strong stickiness, ensuring your sandpaper stays firmly in place. This feature also contributes to the pad's long service life. Made with high-quality, soft rubber, this pad reduces vibration from your orbital sander. This results in improved sanding performance and a smoother finish. You'll notice the difference in your projects. The backing of this pad is thickened and extra hard, making it very durable. It's much more resistant to breaking compared to other pads. This ensures the product's longevity. What we like. This replacement pad is designed for easy screw-on installation, making it simple to replace your old pad. The high-density hook ensures strong adhesion, and the soft rubber reduces vibration. If you're looking for a hassle-free replacement with improved sanding results, consider this one. What people say. The screw pattern matched up, but if your sander has alignment pins on the current head, this replacement head doesn't have the alignment pin detail, so beware of that. After doing that, the head went on flush and it works as needed. Perfect fit onto my 25-year-old Craftsman. Works great. Number 3. Universal Sander Pad for Ryobi, Ridgid, Craftsman. This is a universal replacement pad designed for various orbital sanders. It's compatible with many popular models, making it a versatile choice for your sanding needs. The pad fits sanders from brands like Ryobi, Ridgid, and Craftsman. It's designed to work with models that have a 5-inch diameter, 8 dust holes, and 4 screw holes. Before purchasing, ensure it matches your sander specifications. Check for the 5-inch diameter, 8 dust holes, and 4 screw holes. The distance between screw holes should be 1 to 1/8 inches. The pad features a thickened and extra hard backing. This design makes it durable and less prone to breaking during use, ensuring a longer lifespan. Installation is quick and easy, thanks to the built-in mounting thread. You can attach it to your sander without any hassle, saving you time and effort. We stand behind our product with a satisfaction guarantee. If you have any issues, please contact our customer service team via email for assistance. What we like. This pad offers wide compatibility with various sander models. It features an extra hard backing for durability. If you have multiple sanders or are looking for a reliable, long-lasting replacement, this pad is a solid pick. What people say. The new pad worked really well and my sander is as good as new. The replacement pad is a perfect fit and the dust holes line up perfectly. Fit my 5-inch orbital sander and holds the sandpaper perfectly. Number 2. Craftsman 315/5 Hook and Loop Sander Pad. Are you looking for a replacement sander pad? This is a standard replacement pad designed for Craftsman 315 random orbit sanders. It's a perfect fit for your needs. This 5-inch pad features 8 dust holes, ensuring efficient dust collection during your sanding tasks. It helps to keep your workspace clean while you work. The pad is equipped with 4 screw holes, making installation straightforward. You can easily attach it to your sander and get back to work quickly. With a 2 mm thickened backing and superior cushioning material, this pad is built to last. It's designed to withstand wear and tear, providing a long service time. The high-quality short hook provides stronger stickiness. This ensures your sandpaper stays securely in place, allowing for effective sanding. Please note that screws and washers are not included with this pad. You'll need to use the existing ones from your sander. What we like. This is a standard replacement pad specifically designed for Craftsman ROS Model 315 random orbit sanders. It features a 2 mm thickened backing for durability. If you need a direct replacement for your Craftsman sander, this pad is a perfect fit. What people say. Fit my Craftsman 315.116950 sander perfectly. This is one of the models listed by the seller, so make sure your model number is listed. Sanding disc Velcro adhesion is excellent. Highly recommend this product. I bought this as a replacement hoping it would work with a Craftsman 315.279890. The original just disintegrated after sitting for a couple years. I saw where another review said it fit this model even though it wasn't specifically listed, and I can confirm it does fit this model perfectly with no modifications. The sander pad was a perfect replacement for my Craftsman 315.279890 corded sander. It was an easy replacement with just only 4 screws. The sandpaper sanding pads that I use stick very well to the new sanding pad. No issues here. Great replacement. Number 1. Craftsman CMCW220B and CMEW231 5-inch sander pad. This is a replacement sanding pad for Craftsman CMCW220B and CMEW231 sanders. It's a 5-inch pad designed for woodworking and metalworking. This pad will help you get the job done. The pad features a hook and loop design for easy sandpaper changes. It's designed specifically for Craftsman sanders. This makes swapping out sandpaper quick and simple. This 5-inch pad has 4 screw holes and 8 dust holes. The center distances are designed to fit your sander perfectly. Please confirm your machine size before purchasing. Made from engineered plastics and soft rubber, this pad is built to last. The materials help reduce vibration for better results. This ensures a longer lifespan for the pad. To replace the pad, simply remove the 4 screws and install the new one. The screws are not included. This is a quick and easy process to keep your sander working. The 8-hole design allows for effective dust collection. It also prevents damage to the disc holders. This feature helps keep your workspace clean and your sander in good condition. What we like. This replacement pad is specifically designed for Craftsman CMCW220B and CMEW231 sanders. The engineering plastics are hard to be damaged, and the soft rubber can reduce vibration. If you own one of these Craftsman sanders and want a reliable replacement, this pad is an excellent choice. What people say. Fits the Craftsman CMCW220 Type 1 Orbital Palm Sander, great price for 2, sandpaper sticking to the new pad. Faya is exactly what I need to make my sander like new. The discs would not stitch and this is the perfect replacement. Perfect fit replacement and easy to install. This holds the sandpaper tight and works. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.